Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Nadula Bye Bye Knots Straight Glueless Wig, a product that promises convenience, natural beauty, and style with minimal effort. If you've been searching for a wig that's easy to use and offers a natural, flawless look, this could be your solution. Let's dive into what this product really brings to the table. The Nadula Bye Bye Knots Glueless Wig is part of the 3S Ready to Go collection, and it features a pre-customized, glueless 7x5 HD lace front that's designed for an easy, quick, and natural look. Made from 100% human hair, sourced from a single donor, this wig offers the flexibility to be dyed, permed, bleached, or highlighted, just like your own hair. It's a glueless solution, meaning no adhesives or gels are necessary for installation. For anyone looking for a straightforward wig experience, this one might be worth exploring. Now let's talk about real-world usage. First off, the application process is as easy as it gets. This wig is beginner-friendly, and that's something I really appreciate. The 7x5 HD lace front is pre-cut and pre-plucked, making it essentially put on and go. No glue, no gel, no hassle. Just a clean, invisible lace that blends seamlessly into your scalp for a natural finish. As someone who's familiar with the intricacies of wig styling, I can tell you that this feature is a game changer. You won't need to spend hours trying to blend your lace or adjust your wig. It's ready right out of the box. In terms of texture and feel, the hair itself is bouncy, soft, and thick. There's no sign of split ends, and the 180% density provides fullness without feeling heavy. I tested it during a typical day, from morning errands to evening events, and it held up beautifully. The natural flow of the hair and the comfort of the glueless fit were consistent throughout the day. Plus, it's versatile. You can restyle it to suit your personal taste. It can handle the heat of styling tools, which is ideal for those who love to switch things up. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Nadula Bye Bye Knots Glueless Wig is incredibly easy to install, and the quality of the hair is top-notch. The pre-plucked lace and natural-looking knots make a significant difference in the overall appearance, ensuring that you don't have to worry about bulky or visible lace edges. The lack of glue also makes it ideal for anyone with sensitive skin or who's just looking to save time in their hair routine. On the flip side, while the glueless design is convenient, it might not be the best fit for those who prefer a more secure, long-lasting hold. If you're planning to wear the wig for extended periods, or in situations where it might get tugged or moved around, like dancing or windy days, you might find that some extra security is needed. The lace is sturdy, but it can shift slightly if not adjusted properly. When it comes to value for money, the Nadula Bye Bye Knots Glueless Wig is priced at a premium, but for what it offers, high-quality human hair, ease of use, and a natural appearance, it's worth considering. The convenience of not needing any glue or complicated installation, paired with the ability to restyle and re-dye, gives it a lot of value. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable wigs available, though they might not offer the same ease of use and premium materials. In terms of build quality, the construction of this wig is solid. The lace is soft, yet durable, and the hair strands feel thick and well-maintained. The overall look is smooth, shiny, and realistic, with no noticeable shedding or tangling. Longevity-wise, given the quality of the human hair, this wig should last quite some time with proper care, especially if you maintain it like your natural hair. As for customer support, I haven't personally had to interact with Nadula's team, but the brand has a reputation for good customer service. If you do run into any issues, their support team is generally responsive and can assist with returns, exchanges, or questions regarding care instructions. If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are some options on the market that might not offer the glueless convenience, but still provide good quality synthetic or human hair wigs. Some brands offer lower density wigs at a fraction of the price, though they may require more styling effort and product usage to achieve the same natural look. To sum it up, the Nadula Bye Bye Knots Glueless Wig is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a beginner-friendly, no-fuss hair solution with a natural look and feel. Its ease of use, natural lace, and premium human hair make it a standout. However, if you're looking for a more secure fit for long-term wear, or if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.